Hello guys, and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about changing the names of files or directories using the mv command. First of all, I'll type ls to view the files and directories that I have. Okay, now for example, I would like to change the name of this file over here from file1 to another name. For example, I would like to change it to file.txt, so I will type mv and then the name of the file that I want to change, which is in this case file1, and then the new name next to it. I'll type file and then .txt and enter. Okay, now I'll type ls to check if the change is made, and you can see over here that the file1 has been changed to file.txt. Of course, you can do the same for a directory. Now, for example, I would like to change the name of a directory. This directory, for example, dir-c. So I'll type the mv and then dir-c and change it to dir-f and enter. Now I'll type ls to check out, and as you can see, the directory dir-c has been changed to dir-f. And by this lesson we have seen the mv command for changing names for directories and files. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.